Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My two single viewers who aren't even random people. I know Hunter and Alex are watching this. Let's go. What's up guys? Shout out. Go subscribe to them. They don't have YouTube. Alright, anyways, jumping into this first trade. Yeah, I don't know why I took this. By the way, this is going to be my first losing day in a while, as I'm sure you saw by the title, so I'm kind of depressed while recording this, but I'm actually recording this on Wednesday after two not losing days, kind of ish. They're not losing days, but they're also not great winning days. But so I'm in a little bit of a better mood. But anyways, here we go. I took this first trade. I jumped right into it. I don't know why I did. I just saw on the 1 minute chart that we were in a kind of like a downward stair step, and I really thought that we were going to keep going in that downward stair step. Though, as you'll see in a second, we're not. But I will say this trade wasn't actually terrible because it does go into profit a decent bit, and I should have just taken that. After I saw that it wasn't really going the way I wanted. It wasn't punching through very fast. Like right here, you get that good move, that good like solid 2 point, maybe a little more than 2 point move. No, I think it was just 2 points. Anyways, yeah, you get that solid little move right there. Should have just punched out and taken that, but no, I wanted to hold it because I'm a stone cold trader. I don't get emotional. I stay in that trade. I never let go of it, even when it's turning against me. Yeah, no, I should have got out of that. I don't know what the heck I was thinking, but yeah, we get like 2 points of profit here that I could have just taken after seeing that it bounced twice right here on like those little two wicks that came down and bounced. I should have saw that and been like, yeah, it's not as strong as I wanted. I'm probably just gonna get out of this. But no, I didn't. I held on to it because I'm a savage. Let's go. Anyways, it comes up, touches my entry again. Let's go. Don't care. Staying in the trade. Don't care about losing money. Let's go. Keep it going. Anyways, coming up now. Kind of forming like an upside down double top you see there. I'm not really into technical analysis, but yeah, I mean, if you are, then yeah, it's forming like an upside down double toppy thingy, and it probably means something or other. But anyways, yeah, it's coming up. Not the way I wanted to go. Was literally a tick below my stop loss, and then it came back down. And I could have gotten out once again. Could have gotten out with even a little bit of profit, like a ticker profit or so. Not that that's really much, but I mean it's better than nothing, and it covers commissions at least. But no, no, I kept holding on to the trade yet again, and it's gonna come right back up, couple ticks below my stop loss, which is awesome. Love to see it, but I'm gonna hold on to the trade because I'm a freaking idiot, I guess. And I saw like it skipped up a little bit on the 1 minute chart there, so I thought it would come back down again and I can get out the next time it touched my entry. But no, once again, I'm gonna hold on to the trade, and it is gonna come back down and fill that gap, I think, in a second. But it's gonna get nowhere close to my entry probably. I can't really remember. This was a couple days ago, so I'm a little bit rusty on the memory. Also, I was recording my voice earlier to just test this out, and I freaking hate the sound of my voice, so I'm really sorry that my voice sounds like this. I don't understand how anyone listens to me. My voice sounds like stupid as crap. But anyways, yeah, back to the trade. Yeah, came back down, almost touched my entry, gained a couple ticks because you got out, but I didn't because we hold losing trades, and now it's gonna come right back up and touch my. Yep, it touched it, and now we're on to the next trade already because I edit this super quick, and you have no idea what's going on. Anyways, next trade, here we are. I took it because the market started to fall, doing a stair step like the other trade. Came up, came down, came up. But it didn't come up as high as the last up, and now it's coming down lower than the last low. You know, stair step, higher high, or lower high, lower low. Anyways, yeah, so it was coming down. I thought it was gonna just shoot all the way back down to 56 down there, if you can see that, where it hit at 950. It looks like right next to the 953 ticker on the very bottom. Um, so that's why I took this trade. I thought it was gonna stair step down to there, and I get a couple points of profit to cover back. And it actually will do just that, but instead of getting out of the trade, I'm an idiot and I hold on to it instead of taking the profit and resetting on the day. See, what you should have done, what any trader should do in this situation is, if it comes down enough to cover your loss on the day, I got 3 point loss on the day, it comes back down, comes down to even 4 points. I could have just got out with an extra point too. You should just take that and reset on the day, especially if it's not going the way you want in a strong push. It doesn't push through the way you want, but you're still over your loss on the day. Just take it and reset. Take it and reset. That's exactly what I should have done. I could even reset with a little bit of profit, but instead, I hold on to the trade, watch all the profit I had on the trade disappear, go into my stop loss. Now I'm in the negative. I'm crying. I want to jump off a cliff. I want to jump off a bridge. I want to go play Minecraft, but no, I'm sticking here, sitting in the trade, holding on to this loser. It even gives me grace. The market is graceful to me this day. It came down again, past my entry. Even lets me get a tick of profit if I was quick with my fingers and got no slippage. Alright? Actually, no, I'm pretty sure it comes down even farther. It might even come like a point in. I can't really remember. But anyways, It was graceful to me, is what I mean. But no, I decided to stay in the trade for absolutely no reason, even though I just pointed with my pointer. It's gone. You can't see anymore because I freaking edited this 4 times speed. But yeah, I've even pointed at my pointer where it was going to bounce, where it was likely to bounce, which is exactly where it's going to bounce. And instead of getting out, I decide, it might just come through anyways, and it doesn't, and I lose money, which we'll see in a second after these next like 4 minutes go by, because this is taking freaking forever. Anyways, I'm kind of running out of stuff to say, but I'm going to keep trying to talk. If we look over here at the quote board, you'll even see that this MNQ Z23 underneath the highlighted yellow one. For those of you who don't understand what a quote board is, the top one is the market we're looking at right now, the S&P 500, and the one under that is the Nasdaq. The FUSMNQ Z23, the only one that's green. You can see the Nasdaq is going in the green, and usually the S&P either follows the Nasdaq or it leads the Nasdaq. They kind of move in sync. All the markets tend to move in sync, kind of. And you can see on the Nasdaq over there, it's going up a lot. The Nasdaq is shooting up. You got 10 points on the Nasdaq. It's all going green. It's not really coming down much. And I should take that as a sign that I should probably get out of this trade because it's not going down. None of the markets are going down. They're all going up. Even the M2K and all that, they're not as red as they are anymore. Like it was just at like 60 a second ago. And right now it's at 57, 56. It was at 55 a second ago. Okay, now it's back to 60. So that doesn't really follow through. But yeah, you see, look at the Nasdaq. 14 points in the Nasdaq. 16 points. 17 points. It's shooting up. S&P shooting up. Look, they follow each other. You saw it right there. It's a fact. Anyways, yeah. So now I'm lost on the trade, and I'm just gonna keep holding it because I don't like to cut my losses. I like to hold on to them and be more depressed. Anyway, so yeah, we just got a loss. Now we're 750 in the hole. That feels depressing, but don't worry, it gets better. It actually does. No, but not much better because, we're going to take this trade right here. We saw it just bounced off the high up there. If you look at 67, it came up, but you can't see the one side because of the quote word, but it came up. It bounced off of that. It bounced once. It bounced twice. And it kind of bounced the third time here at 66. It didn't really fully get up there, but it doesn't really matter. We don't care. Anyways, yeah, it bounced 3 times in a row. I'm assuming it's going to go down again because, common sense. It bounced once, came down, bounced twice, came down, bounced the third time, kind of came down, and I was just shaking out. But honestly, it's not that great of a trade entry. But, it has potential to go down. It's like a 51% chance to go down, 49% chance to go up. So it's not a terrible trade. Anyways, so we're a little bit in profit, and then it goes out of profit again. I'm like face palming. I'm smacking myself on the head. I'm like, man, this trade's not going to go the way I want it. It's going to bounce and then break through finally. It bounced twice. It's probably just going to break through this third time because it's bounced so many times. I'm just going to hold on to the trade yet again because I'm an idiot, but it's okay because it actually doesn't go that bad this time. So it looks like it's about to run up, but it doesn't. It saves us. And so anyways, yep, comes down. Come on, man. Move the market. Let's go. I'm not trying to sit here all day. Anyways, yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Any second now to go down. Yep, there we go. Now it's going down. I'm a little bit in profit. I'm going to point in profit. I'm going to hold on to it because I'm a savage. We keep holding on to it. The Nasdaq, as you can see, it's going up, but now it's coming down. It was just at 20 something, and now it's going down. So I really don't know why this trade actually worked out for me because like everything looks like it's about to go against me. But whatever, I held on to it and I got lucky this time, I guess. Anyways, yeah, Nasdaq went up to 23, and now it's kind of like coming down with the S&P. So I guess the S&P is probably leading right now. But yep, so here we are. It's coming down. Eventually, it'll come down. Just shaking out a little bit, filling some gaps. And any moment now, I promise you, any moment now, you're going to see something amazing. Really amazing, awesome, never, unexpected, gone wrong, craziness. Any second now. Literally any second now. Like, I swear to you, any second now. As soon as it finishes doing something that it's doing. Yes. Great. Anyways, yes. So we can see that it came down to where it's been ricocheting off of on the bottom there, like 62, 4, 5, 62. You know, everything. When I'm calling out these 60 numbers, it's because it's on the right side here, the y-axis. Anyways, yeah, it bounced off 62 like twice. Now make it thrice. And now it's going to come up to 64 and bounce some more. And then we're finally going to see it soar. Man, that should be a freestyler on God. I'm going to be a rapper if this trading thing doesn't work out. Anyways, yeah, so it came down. It's coming down. It's coming down. Give me some profit. Let's go. Give me my money back. Any day now. Any freaking day now. Any day now. Come on, man. I don't remember it taking this long. So yeah, basically it's just ranging in between those two levels that it's been bouncing off of. And finally, right here, I believe possibly right here. Yes, once I'm back to profit again, it should do something awesome for me, not for other people who were buying. Anyways, yeah, it's gonna do it any second now. As soon as the Nasdaq starts to turn as well. Any second now. 24, 23, 22, 21. Come on. That was the Nasdaq number that was calling out right there on the quote board. Nasdaq's out of the 20s now, so it's about to soar. They're moving right in sync with each other. You can see it right here in front of your eyes. S&P going down, the Nasdaq's going down. It's soaring, it's soaring, it's soaring. Any day now. Yep, there we go. It's having a little bit of trouble at the 60 level, which is to be expected. The whole numbers like 60s, all the 10s tend to have like a little bit of resistance, not really, but like the 50s, 20s, hundreds, they all have like serious resistance around them. But like even the 10s in the even numbers have some resistance, so it's bouncing off of 60 a little bit. A little bit, just a little bit. Yep, just a little bit. Come on, let's go. Come on, I'm 3 points in profit here. Could have just go ahead and take that. Should be safe, but no, we're gonna hold it. Pretty sure any second now I'm just gonna flat it. Yeah, okay, I flatted it. Now we're on to the next trade instantly. And you see this next trade is actually right on the same move. I waited for it to come up a little bit, and then I was like, okay, it's coming down again. I'm just gonna click the sell button because I'm an idiot. Even though we already got most of that move, you saw it come down to that 57 level where it bounced once before. We already had most of the move, but instead I decided to get back on this move because it's definitely gonna keep going and make lower lows than it had. Even though we just did it 4 times, yeah, definitely going to keep making lower lows. Yeah, I don't know why I took this trade. I'm just an idiot. But anyways, yeah, it doesn't go the way I want it to go. You're going to see in a second here. It came down a little bit, making me think, oh yeah, great, a point in profit. Now we don't want a point in profit. We want to wait till it's a negative 4 points in profit. But no, yeah, I'm just going to keep holding on to the trade because I'm a stupid little idiot. I have my finger on the flat button like I'm going to do something, but I'm not going to do something because I never click that flat button unless I'm in hella profit. But whatever, I don't care. Oh man, in the next videos coming up, you're gonna see some even more mistakes. Or at least I make money, so that's what matters. Um, any second now, you're gonna see something happen that I can talk about and not just sit here in silence. Any second now, I swear to you, any second, it's gonna happen. All right, so now we're a tick in profit, but we got a gap up or gap down. I mean, it's gonna probably go up because of gap down. And I continue to hold the trade, even though I'm in a loss, and I just saw that it's not going the way I want it to go. Because I have a downward bias and I believe that the market is rounding out to go down, which it's not. Though I can see why I would think that. It is kind of like making this round half circle shape, and I really like that shape in my head. It makes my head feel good when I look at that shape. But when you look at it on the tick chart here that I just switched to, you see that that's not happening at all. It's just on the 1 minute chart, and it's not really even on the 1 minute chart. It's just something that my brain is automatically doing because our brains tend to form patterns for absolutely no reason. And so I'm sitting here holding this trade for no reason at all. And funny thing is, the market, after I get out of this trade, I don't show it, but like the market continues to go down. And if I had just moved my stop loss a couple ticks up to 68 where those two wicks had gone up to, I would have been fine. It would have came back down. I could have gotten a little bit of profit and been okay. But instead, I decided to have my stop loss too short because I had lost so much on the day, and I was really frustrated and didn't want to risk losing anymore. And I missed out on profit that I could have had because I was somewhat right on the move, not really. But yeah, the Nasdaq, you can see it's back up to 30 something because we're going up and they move in sync. Remember that. Always be looking at the other indexes to see what they're doing because they move in sync. Um, so yeah, it's coming up 65. It's struggling to get past 65, and then it blasts through it, and I'm out. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, smash subscribe. Yeah, okay, bye.